I'm here with Huawei P20 White, the best model of the P20 series. It's a mid-range phone with elegant design and good hardware. So this one is clan blue. There's two more colors. So here is the phone 5.64 inch with HD plus resolution IPS display with notch, a 16 megapixel front facing camera plus a 2 megapixel depth focus camera, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So on this side there is volume buttons, power button, loudspeaker, microphone, USB Type-C port, 3.5 headphone jack, SIM slots, and second microphone. As you can see, this awesome color. So there is a 16 megapixel front-facing camera, earpiece LED notification, fingerprint scanner, quad LED flashlight. Okay. Just awesome. Can you see this? Awesome reflection of this glass body. Octa-core CPU by Huawei Kirin. SIM ejection tool. User guides. USB Type-C port cable, like on the S8. Quick charge power adapter. It can charge a Huawei P20 White for around 2 hours. Headphones. With microphone. Basic headphones. Okay. Here is a MUI user interface from the Huawei. It comes with Android Oreo 8.1, Planet upgradable to Android 9 Pie, Android Pie, latest version of Android. Okay, get started. awesome interface, user friendly, has some amazing features from Huawei, something different than other brands. There is a Thames available, music, health, application for steps, pedometer, you can see notch, just awesome display. This blue color is awesome, very reflective. Screen resolution is 22,280 by 1080 pixels, 4 GB of RAM. There is around 15 GB available storage for user. Big battery, 2,300. Let's see the camera. Not bad. So there is many modes: HDR, night shot, wide painting, slow motion. There is a moving picture like on iPhone Live images. This short film before capturing. Front facing camera, 16 megapixel at 4:3, 16 megapixel for main camera. So okay guys, this is the quick short review of Huawei P20 Lite. It's around $300. It provides good hardware, amazing design, good stand in the hand, and Huawei brand quality. So hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you next time. Bye.